Welcome to our lesson on India's green farms.
Yay, let's learn!
Look at the map. These are sustainable techniques.
Welcome to Green Farms, showcasing India's agricultural initiatives. Farmers use sustainable techniques for a brighter future.
In the northern plains, farmers use crop rotations, and on the Deccan Plateau, drip irrigation is key.
Behold, the wonders of human farming, from planting to harvest, from manual labor to technology, all working in harmony. Watch this beast tame the soil. Farming's turbocharged.
Types of farming. There are different types of farming in India: primitive subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming, commercial farming, plantation agriculture. First, primitive subsistence farming. Primitive subsistence agriculture is practiced on small patches of land with the help of primitive tools like how, dowel, and digging sticks, and family or community labor. It is a slash and burn agriculture, booming in northeastern states like Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Nagaland. Next, intensive farming. This type of farming is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. It is labor-intensive farming, where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Next, commercial farming. The main characteristic of this type of farming is the use of higher doses of modern inputs. For example, high-yielding variety, HYV, seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides in order to obtain higher productivity. Plantation is also a type of commercial farming. In this type of farming, a single crop is grown on a large area. The plantation has an interface of agriculture and industry. Plantations cover large tracts of land using capital-intensive inputs with the help of migrant laborers. All the produce is used as raw material in respective industries. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc.
Let's learn about the cropping seasons.
What are they?
Kharif, Rabi, and Zaid.
Wow!
Let's review our crop cycles. First is the Kharif season.
And Rabi is next?
Exactly. Then comes the Zaid season. The Kharif crop, like rice, is planted in Rabi is in winter.
Exactly! For
And Zaid?
summer for watermelon!
Perfect.
Now I'm going to exploring the major crops. Variety of food and non-food crops are grown in different parts of the country, depending upon the variations in soil, climate, and cultivation practices. Major crops grown in India are rice, wheat, millets, pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, oilseeds, cotton, and jute, etc. Rice. It is the staple food crop of a majority of the people in India. Our country is the second largest producer of rice in the world, after China. It is a Kharif crop which requires high temperature, above 25 degrees Celsius, and high humidity with annual rainfall above 100 centimeters. Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, largest rice-producing states in India. Wheat. This is the second most important cereal crop. It is the main food crop in north and northwestern part of the country. This Rabi crop requires a cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. It requires 50 to 75 centimeters of annual rainfall, evenly distributed over the growing season. There are two important wheat growing zones in the country: the Ganga-Satluj Plains in the northwest and black soil region of the Deccan. The major wheat-producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, and Rajasthan. Millets. Jawar, bajra, and ragi are the important millets grown in India. These are known as coarse grains. They have very high nutritional value. For example, ragi is very rich in iron. Jawar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. It is a rain-fed crop mostly grown in the moist areas, which hardly needs irrigation. Major jawar-producing states are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Bajra grows well on sandy soils and shallow black soil. Next, maize. It is a crop which is used both as food and fodder. It is a kharif crop, which requires temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and grows well in old alluvial soil. In some states like Bihar, maize is grown in rabi season also. Use of modern inputs such as HYV seeds, fertilizers, and irrigation have contributed to the increasing production of maize. Pulses. India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. These are the major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. Major pulses that are grown in India are tur, arhar, urad, moong, masoor, peas, and gram. Pulses need less moisture and survive even in dry conditions. Being leguminous crops, all these crops except arhar help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. Food crops other than grains, sugarcane. It is a tropical as well as a subtropical crop. It grows well in hot and humid climate with a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. In 2018, and India was the second largest producer of groundnut in the world after China. In rapeseed production, India was third largest producer in the world after Canada and China in 2018. Different oil seeds are grown, covering approximately 12% of the total cropped area of the country. Main oil seeds produced in India are groundnut, mustard, coconut, sesamum, till, soybean, castor seeds, cotton seeds, linseed, and sunflower. Most of these are edible and used as cooking mediums. Groundnut is a kharif crop and accounts for about half of the major oil seeds produced in the country. Castor seed is grown both as rabi and kharif crop. Tea. Tea cultivation is an example of plantation agriculture. The tea plant grows well in tropical and subtropical climates endowed with deep and fertile, well-drained soil, rich in humus and organic matter. Tea is a labor-intensive industry. It requires abundant, cheap, and skilled labor. Major tea-producing states are Assam, Hills of Darjeeling, and Jalpaiguri districts, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. In 2018, India was the second largest producer of tea after China. Coffee. Indian coffee is known in the world for its good quality. The Arabica variety, initially brought from Yemen, is produced in the country. This variety is in great demand all over the world. Initially, its cultivation was introduced on the Baba Budan Hills, and even today its cultivation is confined to the Nilgiri in Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Horticulture. In 2018, India was the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world after China. India is a producer of tropical as well as temperate fruits. India is an important producer of pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal, and potato.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Keep exploring and learning with us.